So why am I doing this? Well, this past year, my husband and I have been very, very, very busy. We're like pretty overwhelmed and we've been wanting to go camping, but we just haven't carved out time for it. And it's like always the last minute when there's like no camping spots that we want to go. So I figured like last year where I set up camping in our backyard, and that was fun, but it's not the same. But I figured, you know what, it's still better than nothing. So my goal is to clean this up as close as I could to my vision of like glamping as I could get in the backyard. So that way we could do really cute dinners and cooking outside and, you know, take advantage of it while we have a beautiful weather in a backyard and before it gets way too cold for us to even be outside. So we kind of get that camping vibe experience-esque without having to go camping or carve out time for camping. We do with what we can. I think that's gonna be the compromise we're gonna have to make this year. This is trash. The condition of the backyard is pretty bleak, I would say, just because the summer's been really hot and no one wanted to come out here and like take care of the backyard. So everything's kind of overgrown and, you know, there's a lot of cobwebs, a lot of spider webs. Also, there's like so many mosquitoes. So I don't know. We're gonna have to constantly be out with bug repellents on while we're out here. But I mean, that's like the same as camping, right? That's like part of the experience. Yeah, I think so. I just need to complain about mosquitoes just because I hate mosquitoes so much. I'm also realizing that I have to trim back a lot of these trees more than I thought I did, just because of how neglected they were. I mean, the rose bush is crazy right now. Honestly, the pumpkins this year have grown really wild. Like they're all over the place and I don't know where to cut and which ones are ripe. I don't know. I left this outside to dry and then it rained and I think it's time to let it go. This originally used to be a sweater and then I turned it into a cushion cover, so it's already like pretty dead. I think it's time to let go of this. I think I'm gonna take the zipper back out and then call it an RIP moment for this cushion cover. Oh my god, look at the pomegranate tree. Like, they're so full of fruits. We're just heavy with fruits. I wanna like hack away at it, but I don't think I could because that means I'd be like losing out on these fruits that are like super low hanging and easy to harvest when they're ready. But they kind of are in the way of my vision of how clean I want the place to look. But I think I could at least do away with this. I think this is all spent. There's a lot of like dead aphids covering the table that's right below it. So I think I could hack away at it and clean it up. Okay, yep, this is done. It's just messy now. Oof. It's so much cleaner. I should probably clean this table before it gets way too hot and sunny on this side of the yard. This used to be an umbrella, an outdoor umbrella we used to have. It's a goner now, so just gonna get rid of it. Jeez, I thought that was a bug. Okay, today we're gonna cook. It's actually really hot. I know the other day I was like, this is going to be great because the weather has cooled down and we're gonna get beautiful weathers for the time being, but then we get like high 90s weather again. Every now and then I'm a little heat exhausted and my brain doesn't function. So I don't know what my next step is supposed to be. Originally, I was going to steam some ready-made dumplings, but someone ate my dumplings that I was going to steam. So we're gonna make some cabbage dumplings. So I've seen cabbage dumplings on, I think it was Instagram, and I wanted to make it because I like cabbage. And I don't trust myself with cooking with meat right now because I haven't steamed, like properly steamed dumplings before. So I'm gonna make a vegetarian version just because, again, I'm not confident that the meat will be cooked all the way through if I do it. The reason I wanted to do a dumpling is because I bought this a while ago, but I haven't used it yet. So we're going to pop its cherry today. So in honor of finally using my bamboo steamer, we're gonna make cabbage dumpling. Just a trial run, so I just think I wanna make Now that the burner is on, it's gotten even hotter. Ooh. I think I could start blanching the cabbage now. Wow, it's hot. I hope I'm doing this right. I think this is right. Maybe I'm supposed to do it one by one. Oops. Okay, I think I was supposed to do it one by one. I think I put too many in here at once. Oops. It's okay. It's okay. Just put it on here. You know, a tongue would be better in doing this rather than a fork, but I don't want to run back in just to grab some tongs, so I'm choosing to burn my fingers instead. Hot. Oh wait, I forgot to boil these cabbages. Let me put it in the water. I'm gonna finish up the filling portion of the dumpling. What else goes in a dumpling? Okay, let's do some egg. This will be the binder. Oh wait, I could just... It's okay, it's good for the plants. Oh, this is just some lemon pepper seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. I have this tofu here. I was thinking of putting it in, but I think that's too much work for today in this heat. So we're gonna forgo that. So some of the cabbages didn't turn out as well. Like, look at this. I don't know how I'm gonna... Yeah, I shouldn't use it. Yeah, now that the cabbages are super flexible now, we could fill it in. I'm just gonna put these in here. I think that'll be enough. Just because these leaves are on the inner part of the cabbage, so it's just... If it's smaller, the better. That's so cute, I did it. Ooh, okay. Okay, this is getting fun now. Okay, mine is shooing all the way, all the flies. This is starting to get fun. Like the fruit of my labor is starting to show. Ooh, maybe I did a little too much on this. I could probably use the really messed up cabbage to wrap it repetitionally to give it more stability. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, this one's a little too much. It's okay. I think I'm gonna use another cabbage, like a messed up cabbage. Okay, we're good, we're good. Oh, it's so cute. Ta-da! I made this. It smells kind of eggy though. Here, let's try one. It couldn't be that bad. Then again, we're talking about me. Here's a little secret I didn't tell you guys before. I suck at cooking. I am not... Oh my god, there's so many flies right now. They're attracted to the smell, the food. Oh my god. I suck at cooking. Like, my mom didn't teach me how to cook. She taught me how to study and be academic, but not cooking. So this whole thing, winging it. Very bland. But I do want to learn cooking. Oh, that pepper is coming in strong now. How is that possible? But I do want to learn how to cook. There was something... Ooh, that's a monarch butterfly. Oh, I love this backyard. There was something in me that clicked earlier this year or so where I just want to learn how to cook. There's like a romanticization of cooking and baking for me now. So I want to learn and get better at it. I think this could be saved if there was a sauce to it. It's very bland. I'm just watching two butterflies dance, basically mate with each other. They're flying away off into the sky. It's so idyllic. I love this backyard. I'm so excited to be cooking more often in the backyard. It is a little bit harder just because of the other obstacles like bugs and flies and the bees. Oh my god, the bees. I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, I think it's gonna be great, especially if we're not having like a 95-degree weather. I put way too much of this and not enough salt. It's okay, I'm learning.